Most lenders will pre-approve you over email without ever picking up the phone. And 30 days later, your deal falls apart because they missed something. Here's how I do it differently and why it matters when you're competing against 5 other buyers. I'm Solomon with the Mortgage Hub, and I want to walk you through my underwritten pre-approval process. Not because I think my process is the only way to do it, but because I've seen too many deals fall apart because lenders took shortcuts up front. Here's what happens with most lenders. You fill out an application online, they pull your credit, look at your stated income and assets, run it through an automated underwriting system. The system says approved. They email you a pre-approval letter, total time about 20 minutes, no phone call, no document review, no actual verification. Here's the problem. That pre-approval is based on what you told them, not what they verified. And most lenders pull your credit on day one, which is a hard pull. Then you will spend months looking for homes, so your score takes a hit before you even have an offer accepted. Here's how I do it differently. Step 1, we'll talk on the phone. I want to know your situation before I even pull your credit. Are you self-employed? Are you W-2? Do you have any credit issues? Where are your assets coming from for down payment and closing costs? It takes about 10 to 15, 20 minutes. Step 2, I run a soft credit check. The soft pull lets me see your full credit report without actually impacting your credit score. So there's zero impact, no inquiry. But here's the key. I can run that soft credit pull through the same automated underwriting system every other lender uses. It's called Desktop Underwriter or Loan Prospector. It's the same data, same approval, same underwriting. So I can give you an underwritten pre-approval backed by an automated underwriting without touching your credit score. Then I review your credit with you and identify ways to optimize your score, which is free, no obligation, even if you don't work with me. So maybe you can, we'll identify things like maybe you can pay off a collection, reduce credit card balances, or dispute an error. I show you exactly what to do and what the impact will be to the score and how it relates to your rate, monthly payment, etc. Step 3, I collect your documents up front. So that's pay stubs, W-2s, bank statements, tax returns, whatever it is specifically that we need for your scenario. I don't wait until the offer is accepted. Then we verify. Step 4 would be then we verify everything. We underwrite your credit, income, and assets before we issue a pre-approval. So this is an underwritten pre-approval, not just an automated system approval. An actual person is looking, an actual underwriter is looking at the income, credit, and assets. So when we say you're approved for $500,000, it's been verified. Step 5, I built you a detailed purchase loan scenario spreadsheet. So I'll show you exactly what your mortgage looks like at different purchase prices, at different down payments, 5 versus 10 versus 20% down. It will show you your principal, interest, taxes, insurance, HOA dues, total monthly payment, closing cost, cash to close, so all the settlement cost. So you know exactly what you can afford at every price point before you make an offer. You want to make sure that there's no surprises, no guessing. And here's the best part. You can search for homes for 3, 6, 9 months, however long it takes. Your credit score is protected the entire time. We did the hard pull only after you have an offer accepted and you've decided to move forward with us. Most lenders are going to hit your credit on day one. I protect it until you actually need it. When you're competing against other buyers, the strength of your pre-approval matters. My underwritten pre-approval is backed by a verified, so underwritten credit, income, and assets on top of the general automated underwriting approval. So listing agents know this is a solid buyer. You don't want any surprises, 30 days into escrow. My process catches any issues or all the issues up front. If your credit can be optimized, we do that first, because saving $200 a month is worth spending a week on credit. So if you're ready to get an underwritten pre-approval right away, schedule a consultation. The link is in my description, or just give me a call. We'll start with a soft credit pull, so zero impact to your score. We'll optimize your credit if needed. We'll verify and underwrite your income and assets. And I'll build you a detailed purchase scenario spreadsheet so you know exactly what you can afford. No surprises, no credit hits until you're ready, and an underwritten pre-approval that actually means something.